In this training session, we're going to discuss credit notes. In other words, you'll go processing credit notes. A credit note is the opposite of an invoice. In other words, where an invoice will increase what a customer owes you, the credit note will do the opposite. It will decrease the client's account. It will also bring that stock item back onto your list. Now, what's important to remember when you process a credit note, you will need to allocate that credit note. For every credit transaction you process for a debtor, you have to allocate it. So we need to specify what invoice, what debit transaction are we going to match this credit note up to. Before we start with the credit note, I just want to take one step back and I want to show you the invoice that we're going to use for this specific credit note. So I'm going to say stock recall documents, and I'm going to sort by date and scroll down to the bottom. This invoice 36 is the invoice that we're going to base the credit note on. We'll make a note of the debtor, we'll make a note of rep details, order numbers, and this specific stock item. I'll close that, and that concludes the introduction for credit notes.